Welcome back to Swings and Things. Today we're going to see how these two little feet here will help determine whether you're a jumper, a twister, or a pusher with your golf swing. Want to find out? Let's watch the video. Today, we're going to break out the driver, the big stick, and try to see how we can get a maximum benefit out of hitting this club. But before you can do that, you need to know what type of a golf swinger that you are. And three different categories are the jumper, the twister, and the pusher. What does that mean? Well, we'll show you. In order to determine whether you are a jumper, a twister, or a pusher, here's the test. Line up to the golf ball with your feet together, ball centered in your stance. And to determine the first swing, what I'd like for you to do is to just bring your right foot back, leaving the left foot forward, still with the narrow stance. So from here, you want to set up and take a full swing without falling over, and let's see how that feels. The second test is to keep your feet together, and then without moving either foot, just turn and swing as hard as you can without falling over. So the third method is we're going to bring our left foot back, and we're going to take a swing. Okay, so those are the three different feet placement tests to figure out what type of a swinger that you are. If you favored the right foot back, you are what's called a jumper in your swing. As you are driving into the ball, you brace yourself with the lead leg and you extend and essentially jump a little bit in order to maximize your power. I'm going to demonstrate what that looks like with a full swing. If you preferred the feet together, you are what's called a twister. And with this, you're just rotating the body back and through. We'll demonstrate this with the full swing. If you preferred the left foot back, you're what's called a pusher, right? You're going to actually push off of your right leg to generate your power. Similar to kind of a home run hitter in baseball, where you push your weight back, you take a slight step forward, pushing off that back leg, and then rip through. Let's demonstrate that. With any of the three swings, the most important thing is to start with those feet together. And if you are a pusher, a twister, or a jumper, this setup should still be the same, which is with the feet together, we're just going to slightly turn our left toe out, and then we're going to set our stance with our right foot. Get it as wide and as stable as you want. And you will see from this angle, the shaft looks like it's leaning back slightly. But what's nice is the bottom of this club is flat, and we want to let that lay flat just like that, which makes the visual look like it's leaning backwards, which it is. Reason being, it allows the club to bottom out towards the center of the stance and then start catching the ball on the upswing. We do not want to lean forward and deloft the club and shift our center We just want to ground it and catch it on the upswing. So just to re-demonstrate, we're going to set up, slightly move our left toe out, get our right foot nice and planted, and we're going to demonstrate the jumper swing, which is the same back swing. And as we're coming through, we're going to shift our weight just slightly, and as we're coming through this ball, we're going to feel like we're jumping with our left leg, just jumping up in the air. If this left foot slides out, it's totally fine. With the twister swing, we're going to set up with our feet together, slightly flare your left toe, and get your nice stable stance. And then now we're just going to turn and turn. Now with our pusher swing, we're going to set up with our feet together, slightly flare the left toe, get a nice stance, nice stable stance. Remembering that on this swing, we're going to load up on our right side. We're going to push off that right leg. Not slide, push so far forward that you're above the ball, but just a little bit of a nudge, which activates your mind to go ahead and rip through this golf ball. With this method, you can determine whether you are a jumper, a twister, or a pusher. All of them are acceptable ways. You just need to figure out which one you are, and hopefully this helps you in doing that. But just remember to keep on swinging.